Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change your credit card on Zoom in 2025. Whether your card's expired, you've got a new one, or you're just updating for security reasons, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Zoom is a go-to tool for meetings, webinars, and more, so keeping your payment info current is essential to avoid any disruptions. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zoom account on the official website or app. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Management, or Settings, section. It's usually in the top right corner. Look for the Billing tab. This is where all your payment details are managed. If you don't see it immediately, double-check under Subscriptions or Plans. Next, click on Payment Methods or Update Payment Info. Here, you'll see your current credit card on file. To change it, select the option to Edit or Add New Card. Enter the details of your new credit card carefully, include the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Zoom might ask for verification, like a quick code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. After you've entered everything, hit Save or Update. Zoom will process the change, and you should get a confirmation message. To be thorough, test it by making a small purchase or checking your next billing cycle. One quick tip: if you run into errors, ensure your card is active and has no restrictions for online payments. Also, if you're using Zoom for business, check with your admin if they handle billing. And there you have it. That's how you change your credit card on Zoom in 2025. It only takes a few minutes and keeps everything running smoothly. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.